Hi everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. Today we'll learn how to create a surprised mask and an angry mask. I saw that you liked happiness and sadness masks, so today I bring you these two new masks. To create them, we will download and print the templates. You have the templates link in the description and in the comments. There you can choose the size you prefer for your masks and also know how to cut the pieces and how to fold them. Here we have the pieces of the first mask that we will make. They are the first 2 pages of the templates, and it will be the surprised face mask. To start, we will add glue on the flaps of piece number 1 and glue it with piece number 2. Pieces 3, 4, and 5 will form the cheeks and nose of the mask, so we will shape them and glue them with the previous pieces. The parts with numbers 6 and 7 will be pasted on the sides of the mask to create the outline of the face, piece 6 on the right side and piece 7 on the left side. Now with piece 8 we will create the mask's upper lip. At this moment is when we begin to notice how the mask is taking shape. To finish creating this first mask, we are going to put glue on piece 10 and glue it with piece 9. Once this part is ready, we will join it to the mask to finish creating it. This is the surprised mask ready. But we are not finished yet because we still need to create the angry face mask. This time we will start joining the pieces with the numbers 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, these masks have few pieces and are very quick to make. Piece 4 is the nose, so we will join it to the design and glue the flaps to finish forming it. With these other 2 pieces, we are going to build a large part. We will add glue on the flaps and glue piece 5 on the right side and piece 6 on the left side. Now with piece 7, we will begin to create the mouth, so we will put glue to shape the piece and then add it to the mask. These 2 will be the last pieces that we will join. The first thing will be to join them together to form a single piece, and then we will add it to the mask to finish forming it. To use the masks, we are going to use 2 wool threads of approximately 30 centimeters. We'll make 2 holes on both sides of the masks with the tip of the scissors, and at the end add a thread on each side. To finish, we'll make a knot in both to secure. And now we have our masks ready. Remember that you can download any template from the channel without ads and support this content by joining Premium Momuscraft. Thank you very much for watching the video.